Usually ho, mixed emotion ho. Sa normal ho na reaction ng isang taong tulad ko na sa ganitong sitwasyon, eh malulungkot. Diba? Pero ho, what can I ever long for when your love is enough for you? Medyo po ako. Your love is enough for you. Is enough for you. What can I ever?
Tawarin ninyo sa kanilang mga kasalanan ay pinatawad na nga, subalit ang hindi ninyo katatawarin ay hindi rin pinatawad.
Together with the Matthew 5:16, si Sengs rin po ay very active sa amin pong ministry, and it's because of that, because she is very dear to us, I can sing of your love forever. I can sing of your love forever. I can sing of your love forever.